So I'm working on a new Holland L223. I think it's around a 2015 model. Got a no start, no crank. You get in it, lights up, and then you turn the key, you get nothing. I mean, the glow plug doesn't even light up. So you got your fuse box down here. It's actually missing one relay right here, but I got it in my pocket. It's bad too. But this is actually the one that's controlling the starter and ignition. What I did is I swapped it out just with the good one. You can actually hear it click when you, I guess because I got the key on, you can hear the relay actually click. Yep. Clicked a few times right there. But yeah, that does it. Bam. And that's that.